Hi, my name is Jessica and this is So Blessed by Jess, and today is day 6 of our Vlogmas and we are going to create the Aunt Dinah block. It's a beautiful block. It's a very traditional block. I used one of my darker blues for this project so it can really like pop out onto the quilt. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you the cutting instructions, what the blocks look like, and then I'll start putting it together. So for the Aunt Dinah's block, we have one square that is 4.5 by 4.5. Then we have 4, and this is background. Then we have 4 squares that are 2 3/4. Then we have these two. Let's see. This is 5 3/8 cut on. It was a square cut on the diagonal. And then these are, no, sorry, that's 4 5 3/4, 5 3/8, and then this one was 5 3/4 that was cut. All right, so here are all your pieces. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a block that looks like this. So this is my center block. Let me take all of this off. Okay. So here's our center block, and I'm just gonna build out just this little side right here. All right. So we're gonna take these 2 triangles. We are going to piece them together, and they go this way. Then we're gonna take a larger triangle, put it right there. Then we're going to take, and then the corner unit, let me pull that aside, is, here's my little guys. It's a cat's cradle unit that looks like that. So I'm going to create 4 of these blocks, 4 of these blocks, and then they're all going to surround our center block. Remember, follow the instructions that are given on the website. All right, so here's all our pieces. So let's go ahead and build it out. So here's our center, our cat's cradle. So all the blocks, the squares point in the out direction. And then our blue to the center. And now all we have to do is just sew this 9 patch together. So another 9 patch. So again, sew down the vertical seams, add it on, and then do the horizontal. And probably gonna be pressing these seams will go out, in, out, yeah. And then we'll see how these 2 lay when we get there. And there we go. Look how pretty she is. Yes. It's amazing. I'm really glad that I picked this block. It really makes my heart sing. Yep. It's a very simple sew, as long as you work on the cat's cradle and make sure that you trim everything down to 4.5 inches. When you're working with the 12-inch block, I did notice that it was oversized quite a bit. So, I don't know. So my cat's cradle blocks don't look 100% like the way that they're supposed to be, but I'm okay with that. Hey, got to have your own little spin on everything you do, don't you? So anywho, I had fun with this block. So today I am blessed for my husband. He's definitely like, he should have been a few days ago. I just kept, I didn't forget. He's amazing. He really is. He's a wonderful dad, a wonderful husband. He really does provide for the family and leads a Christian life, and is a wonderful umbrella over us. So, anywho, yes, I hope everyone has a blessed day, and I will see you on our next video.